Welcome to our channel. Whether you're a seasoned traveler, a budding photographer, or someone who simply enjoys capturing the beauty of the world, you're in the right place. Our channel is dedicated to inspiring your next adventure, offering expert tips and sharing stunning travel experiences that will fuel your wanderlust. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that every traveler and photographer can appreciate: capturing the perfect sunset photo. Sunset photos are some of the most beloved images, evoking a sense of peace, beauty, and wonder. But how do you take that perfect shot? We've gathered tips from experts and photographers around the world. And we're also going to take you to some of the most beautiful sunset spots across the globe, offering you expert advice on how to get the most out of each location. Whether you're using a phone or a professional camera, we've got the tips and tricks you need. So sit back, grab your camera, and get ready to learn how to capture the magic of sunsets from different corners of the world. Capturing the perfect sunset photo, tips from the experts. A perfect sunset photo is the kind of image that takes your breath away. Whether it's a fiery orange sky reflecting off the ocean or a soft pink and lavender hue stretching across a mountain range, sunsets offer some of the most visually stunning moments that can be captured with the camera. However, capturing that perfect sunset photo is no easy task. It requires not only technical skills, but also an understanding of the landscape, timing, and creative composition. In this video, we'll walk you through expert tips and share insights from professional photographers on how to capture the perfect sunset shot. We'll also explore some of the world's most iconic sunset locations, giving you insider knowledge on the best times to shoot and the unique characteristics of each spot. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these tips will help you enhance your sunset photography game. 1. Understanding sunset lighting and timing, the key to a perfect shot. Golden hour magic. The most important factor in capturing the perfect sunset photo is understanding the quality of light. The time when the sun is closest to the horizon, just before and just after it sets, is known as the golden hour. During this period, the light is softer and warmer, creating long shadows and a rich palette of colors. The golden hour can transform an ordinary landscape into something extraordinary. Timing is everything. Timing is critical for sunset photography. You need to arrive early to scout your location and plan the composition. Depending on where you are in the world, sunset times change throughout the year, and knowing the exact moment the sun will set will help you prepare your shot. A sunset doesn't just last for a few seconds. There's a magical period before and after when the colors are the most intense. And this is when you should be snapping your shots. Pro tip: use a sunset sunrise app like Golden Hour to plan your shoot and determine the best time to capture the moment. 2. Perfect locations for sunset photos. The best destinations around the world. Now that you know the best time for capturing a sunset, let's explore some of the world's most breathtaking sunset destinations. Each location offers unique views and opportunities to create stunning images that will leave your audience in awe. 1. Santorini, Greece, a magical caldera sunset. Santorini is one of the most iconic sunset destinations in the world. The island's caldera, surrounded by cliffs that drop into the sparkling Aegean Sea, offers a dramatic backdrop for sunsets. As the sun sets behind the island, the sky is painted with shades of orange, pink, and purple, while the whitewashed buildings of Oja glow in the warm light. Why? It's special. The dramatic landscape offers a unique contrast between the bright white buildings and the deep blue waters of the Aegean Sea. Sunset views from Oja are world famous, making it one of the most sought-after places for sunset photos. Pro tip: get to Oja early to secure a prime viewing spot. If you're looking for a different angle, head to the nearby Scaros Rock for a more secluded, dramatic shot. 2. Grand Canyon, USA, sunset over the vast canyon. The Grand Canyon is a world-renowned destination for sunset photography. The vast, layered rock formations create stunning shadows and vibrant colors as the sun sinks below the horizon. The play of light across the canyon's walls creates a constantly changing scene, with fiery reds, oranges, and purples filling the sky. Why it's special? The Grand Canyon is vast, allowing you to capture sweeping panoramic shots or zoom in for more detailed compositions. The colors of the canyon change dramatically as the sun sets, offering a variety of looks and moods throughout the golden hour. Pro tip: head to the South Rim for iconic views, and consider using a wide-angle lens to capture the sweeping grandeur of the canyon. 3. Bali, Indonesia, tropical paradise sunsets. Bali is not only known for its spiritual vibe and lush landscapes, but also for its incredible sunsets. Whether you're on a beach or overlooking a verdant rice terrace, Bali offers diverse sunset settings. The island's coastline is lined with palm trees, and the sunsets over the Indian Ocean are absolutely breathtaking. Why? It's special. Bali's sunsets offer a variety of landscapes from tranquil beaches to majestic volcanoes. The palm trees and traditional Balinese structures can add an interesting element to your compositions. Pro tip: head to Tanawat Temple for a stunning combination of a sunset and temple silhouette. Alternatively, find a spot in Uluwatu for a dramatic ocean view. For Uluru, Australia, a sacred sunset over the Red Centre. Uluru Ayers Rock in Australia's Red Centre is one of the world's most iconic natural landmarks. The sunset here is nothing short of magical, with the rock's massive sandstone surface glowing a rich, fiery red as the sun sets. This sacred site offers a unique opportunity to capture a sunset surrounded by an ancient and spiritual landscape. Why it's special? Uluru's deep red and orange hues create striking contrasts against the clear blue skies. The desert landscape provides a perfect canvas for minimalist compositions that highlight the grandeur of the rock. Pro tip: for the best shot, head to the designated viewing areas at sunset. The colors of Uluru shift over time, so be prepared to shoot from several angles. 5. Bora Bora, French Polynesia, sunset over turquoise waters. Bora Bora is famous for its crystal-clear lagoons, overwater bungalows, and dramatic mountain peaks. The sunset here is like no other golden light, reflecting off the turquoise waters and the mountains, creates a surreal atmosphere. Why it's special? The reflections of the sunset on the lagoon provide stunning symmetrical compositions. Bora Bora's overwater bungalows offer a unique foreground for sunset photos. Pro tip: if you're staying in an overwater bungalow, use a drone to capture the sweeping beauty of the landscape. Otherwise, consider taking a boat out to get the perfect reflection shot. 3. Composition techniques for sunset photos. Creating stunning shots. Once you've chosen the perfect location and timing for your sunset shoot, it's time to focus on the composition of your photo. Here are some expert tips to help you create a visually compelling sunset image. Use the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds is a classic photography technique where you divide your image into a 3x3 grid and place your subject along the grid lines or at the intersections. For sunsets, placing the horizon on the lower third or upper third line can create a more dynamic composition. Incorporate silhouettes. Sunsets are perfect for capturing silhouettes. Whether it's a person, a tree, or a landmark, placing a subject against the colorful sky can add drama and intrigue to your photo. Leading lines. Use natural lines like roads, rivers, or coastlines to guide the viewer's eye toward the horizon. These lines can create a sense of depth and perspective, making the image feel more immersive. Reflections. Water is a powerful tool in sunset photography. Whether it's a calm lake, the ocean, or even a puddle, reflections add symmetry and richness to your photos. Always look for water sources that can mirror the colors of the sunset. 4. Technical tips for sunset photography. Camera settings and gear. Camera settings. Aperture. A wider aperture f2.82, f5.6 will allow more light into your camera, helping you capture vibrant colors in the low light environment. ISO. Keep your ISO as low as possible. ISO 100 to 400. To avoid graininess and preserve the rich colors of the sunset. Shutter speed. Depending on the lighting conditions, a slower shutter speed, 1/60th to 1/200th SEC, will help you capture more detail in the sky and surrounding landscape. Gear recognition. Wide-angle lens. A wide-angle lens, 16 to 35 millimeters, is perfect for capturing expansive landscapes and sweeping views of the horizon. Tripod. A tripod is essential for stabilizing your camera, especially when shooting at slower shutter speeds during the golden hour. Polarizing filter. A polarizer can help reduce glare and enhance colors, especially when shooting over water. Your sunset photography journey. Capturing the perfect sunset photo is a blend of artistry and technical knowledge. With the right timing, location, composition, and camera settings, you can create stunning images that immortalize the magic of these daily spectacles. Whether you're on the beaches of Bali, the cliffs of Santorini, or the deserts of Australia, each sunset offers a unique opportunity to create unforgettable memories through your lens. Stay tuned for more photography tips and destination guides. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get the best travel and photography insights straight to your feed.